In this video, let me show you how to fix the Instagram cannot switch to professional. So if you're having issues switching your account, whether a business account or a personal account, to a professional account on Instagram, in this video, let me show you a couple common solutions that you can try out. The first thing that you can do is try to unlink and reset the Meta account center. So what you can do is just head over to the hamburger menu on the top right and then head over to account center. If your personal account of Instagram is tightly linked with a personal Facebook account, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So within the settings page, head over to manage accounts and make sure you unlink one of your Facebook accounts and then try switching it. By doing this first step alone, you should be able to fix the issue. If the issue still persists, the second thing that you can do is try to bypass the application. Instead of trying to switch using the mobile app, open up a web browser either on your phone or on your desktop as well and try to head over to instagram.com and try switching your account from there. So once you try out both of these steps, you should be able to fix your issue and you should be able to switch to a professional account. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.